Will the pH of the solution be greater than, smaller than, or equal to 7? Write a relevant equation to support your answer. The only way to get to the answer is to go back to what you have as your salt. This ammonium chloride is going to help us. So now we know that we are dissolving that in water. So let us have a look at what can be done. This is ammonium chloride. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take those ions, the ammonium ions, and let's see what happens to them when they react with water. And you find that you are going to have ammonia this time plus the hydroxyl ion, not hydronium ions, I'm sorry, not hydroxyl, hydronium. Right? In this case, what happened is that the H plus was bonded to the, or was attracted to the H2O plus here, and then it became H3O plus. All right. So let us have a look at what is there with regard to the products. We've got the presence of H3O plus, and the H3O plus are just telling us that we've got the presence of the H plus ions. And the minute you've got such a thing, you know that you are having, remember according to the definition of an acid and a base, the minute you have the H plus ions, then you know that you are talking about a substance which is probably highly possibly that it is an acid. So now we come to this part of pH. In terms of pH, we know that somewhere there in the middle, we've got that number 7. But somewhere there, 0, and there on the extreme, you've got 14. So while you go to this side more, you are talking about strong acids. And while you go more towards 14, you talk about strong bases. And here in the middle, that's when you talk about salts, things that are neutral. So therefore, we can now answer this because we say this is acidic, so therefore the pH will definitely be less or smaller than 7. So this is the answer.